We are going to take a look at an Scm Minimax SC3 sliding table saw. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This is a clean, well-maintained Minimax SC3 sliding table saw. It has a 54-inch rip capacity and a 53-inch crosscut capacity. It is powered by a 4.8 horsepower motor, has a 12-inch blade capacity, and even has a scoring blade. It's also pretty complete and even comes with an original set of manuals. Currently, it is wired for 230 volt 3-phase operation.